This is session 2 of module 1 of Managerial Communication of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the meaning and definition of business communication. The learning objectives are to understand the meaning and definition of business communication. Students will be able to understand the meaning and definition of business communication after studying this session. Meaning and definition of business communication. Communication is the process by which information is transmitted between individuals or organizations so that an understanding response results. Exchange of information or ideas. A message is conveyed by one person to another person. The receiver of the message should be able to understand the message conveyed by the sender or giver. Definitions. W.H. Newman and C.F. Summer. Communication is an exchange of facts, ideas, opinions, or emotions by two or more persons. William Scott. Administrative communication is the process which involves the transmission and accurate replication of ideas ensured by feedback for the purpose of eliciting actions which will accomplish organizational goals. So, in a business organization, to get the things done or to give instructions or order, the top persons communicate the information to the subordinates, and the subordinates, when they understand the message, they do the required operations, and thereby the organizational goals are accomplished. According to Oxford English Dictionary, communication is imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, that is oral, writing, or using some other media like telephone, mobile, internet, letter, the successful conveying or sharing of ideas and feelings. Harold D. Laswell. An act of communication can be described in a convenient way by answering the following questions. Who? Who is the person who is communicating the information? He is the sender. What does he say? What information does he want to pass or communicate? Through which channel? What is the medium used? And to whom does he want to communicate? With what effect? So the sender passes the information, the receiver gets the information, and then the work is done, the goal is fulfilled, and the feedback is gone to the sender, and thereby with the feedback, the sender, the person who communicated the information, comes to know that the information have been effectively delivered. So in this session, we studied about the meaning of communication and the definition of communication. References.